Lesson 14. Explanation. We cannot eat raw food, that is rice, pulses, wheat, etc. Foodstuffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by heating them. We add water in rice, boil it and cook it. Puris, pakoras are fried in oil. Chapatis and bhakris are roasted. Modaks and idlis are steamed. Thus food items are cooked in many ways. A combustible substance is used for obtaining heat required for cooking, such as cooking gas, kerosene, coal, etc. A combustible substance means a substance that can burn. People in villages use firewood for cooking. Some use a coal-burning stove, shegri. But these are harmful for the environment. It makes a lot of smoke. Some people use kerosene stoves for cooking. Nowadays, we use cooking gas, biogas, hot plates and solar cooker also.